Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today I have the Samsung Terrace sitting out in our office just to kind of show you a little bit. It is going out on a job very soon, so we'll show you more when we get it out there. But just, you know, a lot of people don't know Samsung makes an outdoor TV as well, and it is really bright in comparison to your indoor Samsung. So we're going to flip around, we're going to take a little bit of look at it, and then I'll show you the back side and where everything plugs in. All right, so as you see up here, we have our Samsung frame TV. And then down here, real bright, we have our outdoor TV. And if you take a look at it, I still have the plastic on the sides just because we're putting it back in the box as soon as we're done with this video. But we just want to show you guys what it is as far as the difference in between this TV and your regular indoor TV. First thing you're going to notice is how thick it is. They also have a waterproof panel back here for all of your connections. It might be a little hard to see, but... Alright guys, I got the back of the TV turned around so we can look at this input board back here. So let me flip you around, and behind this panel right here is where it's going to house all your inputs. So if we take a look back here, we have our USB, we got HD base T, which basically you can use a balun through a Cat 6, Cat 5e from inside your house to outside without running a long HDMI. Or you could just do a regular conventional balun, but if it has HT base T built in, you most of the time, if you go with the right balun, do not need the transmits or the receive side because the TV has it built in. And if we keep going down, we have our digital optical out, we have HDMI, and then HDMI 2 with eARC enhanced ready to go, and then HDMI 3. We also have a LAN port, we have our audio out through our 1/8" mini, and then we have the EX Link port that most Samsung TVs still have to this day. So remember, this is just a cool outdoor TV. We just wanted to give you a sneak little preview before we go out and install it. I know you guys have followed us along and seen all our Sierra outdoor TVs. We were told this one's going to blow it out of the water, so we'll see how we go from there. Remember to like and subscribe down below. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you.